Hey Jay, this is Truman, one of your cohort students in cohort 4 of inventory as a voting system. I just wanted to say thank you so much, man. I never did thought I would understand how to trade successfully without just gambling or guessing. Now you've taken all the guesswork out of it. You've allowed me to trade successfully by understanding when to enter the market, when to defend, and how to exit. You shared with me how to set targets and be patient and not allow our emotions and fears to overtake us because now we understand what the market is doing and we understand how to read the candles. You are truly a mastermind when it comes to trading, and I'm grateful that I had crossed your path. I'm so grateful for what you've created in inventory as a voting system, and I look forward to the dividends that it's going to create for me and my family, and hopefully allow us the freedom that we look for when it comes to finances. Thank you again for what you have created in this system, and I'm looking forward to all the future endeavors and training and opportunities that you're going to bring to us within the trading community. Thank you again. Cohort 4, Inventory as a Voting System, rocks, and our instructor, Jay Sweetie, Jay the Trader, is the guy to get to know. Thank you so much, Jay. Love you, brother.